Everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question Engineering Mathematics 2022. It is question number 8 from set 4. If the Laplace transformation of a function ft is given by s plus 3 divide s plus 1 into s plus 2, then f0 is equal to 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of Laplace transformation. So at first let L f of t that is equal to f of r. Okay, now L f of t is equals to here just transform r as t as r. Okay, so this one changes as r plus 3 divide r plus 1 into r plus 2. Okay, now f of t is equals to L to the power minus 1 r plus 3 by r plus 1 into r plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to, just split this one, so L inverse 2 by 1, this one is r plus 1. Okay, now this one become 1 by minus of 1 and r plus 2, and denominator is r plus 2. Okay, now L inverse, just dividing in two parts, that is 2 divide r plus 1 and this one is minus, as plus and minus making minus, so this one is minus of L inverse 1 by r plus 2. Okay, suppose here let L inverse 1 by r plus a is equals to e to the power minus of at. Okay, so now replacing this one, so this one become e to the power L inverse this one, if we replace L inverse 1 by r plus 1 is equal to e to the power a, so now just write here e to the power twice, 2 is out from this, so e to the power minus of t. Okay, minus e to the power twice, once again twice, here sorry, this one is only e to the power minus of 2t, 2 is here, so e to the power minus of 2t. Okay, so now putting t is equal to 0, as we shall calculate the value of f0, so here f0, so just replace t with 0, so this one become 2 into e to the power 0 minus of e to the power 0, so that is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1, so that is equal to 1. Okay, so it is our required solution, and our correct option is option B is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 8. Now moving to question 9. So question 9 tells us the mean and the variance respectively of a binomial distribution for n independent trials with a probability of success at P are 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of mean median mode, and it is also a GATE sample question. So here binomial distribution is given here, that is the binomial distribution. So the binomial distribution is here mean is equal to what? Mean is equals to NP. Okay, and variance is equal to what? Variance variance so here variance is equals to n into p into q. Okay, but we know that p plus q is equals to 1. So in independent trial with probability of success is b here. So we know that p plus q is equals to what? 1. So that implies we should calculate the value of q. So q is equal to 1 minus p. So now just put the small p. So now just replace q as p 1 minus p. Okay. So therefore variance is equals to n into small of p 1 minus small p. So now the variance become np into 1 minus p. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct option is here we should calculate mean and the variance of the binomial distribution. So mean and the variance, mean is here np and the variance is np into 1 minus p. So here option A is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 9. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.